How to open another store on Etsy. Now, if you want to create another store on Etsy, you just simply need to open any of your browser and then you will see the search option. Just simply search for Etsy seller, then open this link of how to sell on Etsy United States. And after that, you need to log into a different account, and after logging to a different account, you just simply need to tap to get started button. And now you have to set a different informations in this page. If you have already created one shop in Etsy, you can fill out the language, country and currency as you want, but in the next page you need to set up a new shop name for your shop, and after that tap to save and continue. And in the payment page where you set the payment information or bank details, in here you might have to set a new bank. Try using the older bank which you have set in another Etsy store already, but if that does not work, then you have to set a new bank. You can use the bank details of your family member, and after that you have to provide the IDs which could prove your identity. In there you can use someone of your family member's ID, and then you can very easily create another shop store on Etsy. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.